Hello guys, so just want to show one of the things in EBS. I'm working on this thing, found something interesting for me. So it's a display line item Fury app or FBL and 3N. So if we search, I just search my clearing account and I on that specific date I found these two entries X. So I thought like previously that if red is there, so like in EBS there are three alerts like green, orange, and red. So I thought it's the same X, but I was really surprised. Like when I open this thing like this for 480, and it is posted like it is a clear item. So then the question came: if it is cleared item, means that it is green in reprocess. Why it shows red here? So when I further investigate, maybe I will show like how it comes. And so it's go like this. And I will do some filter. So 480. Okay. See, this is a green item. So that was my new thing for me, that here it is in this Fury app it is red, but here in Fury app it is showing green, means that it is uh, process. So why it is that? So then I came to know that in this display line item there are only two status. X means that it is open and green means that it is cleared in this thing. But in the reprocess there are three indications, you know, that green, orange, and red. So when I post this entry, like if I do a posting, so if I go to post journal entry, and I'm just posting it. So it is post ending with 301. So I open go to clear GL. So now I just may try to match it. The count is, and posting date is January 9. So without wasting the time, I will just simply go to this filter with local amount, and the amount is 480.55, and the other one is minus 480.55. So see, this is the GL one, and this is from the bank it is coming. So I'm just, so this is done. Now I go back and just want to show you that now it will become like green. So see, this is now green. So this is a new thing for me. So just want to share with you that in display, the green and red has some other meaning if you compare to the EBS. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe it.